Today's video, we are going to be working from Canva Mobile. I do have the Canva Pro account, so I'm going to open my Canva here, and we are going to start a new design. So I'm going to click on this purple plus on the bottom. I am using an Android phone, just in case yours doesn't look the exact same as mine. I'm going to go to custom size here. I have some presets here that you can see recently used, but I just want to show you here that you can change this from pixels to inches. And I have these preset at 8 by 8, but that is a typical one that I will use. So you can change this to whatever you want, but I'm going to pick my 8 by 8 here. It seems to be a good size that can be stretched out nicely. All right, so now I'm going to go to uploads. I recently uploaded some images. This risen, that's mine that I have on Etsy, and the top one there was sitting on there. That is one that I did for a video. But this one here with the bunny tails, I'm going to take this one because I want to show you how you can change this up. Now this is, again, I uploaded this one from Creative Fabrica. You can see my other videos for how to upload fonts and PNG images into Canva. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Effects, and I'm going to go to Magic Eraser, and as you can see, you have to have a Pro account to use some of these, and for Magic Eraser you do have to have a Pro account. But now it says brush over the image, so I'm going to hit OK, and I'm just going to brush over this word Happy Easter because I want to take that out, and I just want to show you how to do that. So you can just brush right over this word. Don't worry if you make a mistake because you can always revert back to the original. But here we go. It takes a little while for that to remove. So I just wanted to show you that you can remove designs. I could remove this checker box too, but I kind of like that. So now I'm going to close that and see now, whoop, I'm going to go back because I have a couple black lines in there yet. So I'm going to go back to Effects and Magic Eraser, and right here there were a couple black lines. So I'm going to get those out of there. And now I'm going to go back and see the design there. That looks really good. So now I'm going to pull this bigger, make this bigger, bigger, bigger. Whoops, I'm going to revert because I actually pulled something wrong there. Pull this down, make it fill the page. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text box. And so now here's a text box, and we are going to change, move this up so you can see it here. Move this text box up, and now you can go to font size down here. I'll make it bigger so that you can see it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font in here. I have a hard time getting this to work on my phone, but I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to write Chillin' with my peeps. I don't want to capitalize. Chillin', whoops. Oh, see, I got a letter in there yet. With my peeps. And now I'm going to go back and get rid of that T. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to change the color and the font. So the first thing I'll do is I'll go to font here, and you can see what different fonts I have. These here are uploaded fonts. You can see that here. And these are ones that I uploaded from Creative Fabrica. I have a Creative Fabrica All Access account. I highly recommend that. I will have a link below for that as well. And I do have other videos, like I said, where you can see how to upload fonts into Canva. So please look for that and like my video and subscribe to my channel for more. But now I'm going to scroll through, and this chiffon cake is kind of neat, but oh, this chunky retro, let's see what that looks. Chilling with my peeps, I kind of like that. All right, we'll leave that. And again, I'm going to make it bigger. So I'm going to go to font size here, and I'm going to stretch this out, get it in there nicely. Now I'm going to go again down here into the font options, and I'm going to scroll over here to color. And then I'm going to scroll down here. You can see that it brought in a color palette from the photo, which is really nice. So because I uploaded this from Creative Fabrica, but you can also images that are in Canva. This works with a lot of those as well. So now I can change that font color. So I think I will change it to this pinky color. And now I'm going to leave that. And now I'm going to go again down to the font here. And I am going to go slide over here to Effects. And I'm going to click on Effects. Then I'm going to scroll over and I'm going to hit Outline. And see how that puts a nice outline on there. You can also change the color of that outline by going back into color here. So you can change the color as well of the outline. But for now, I'm just going to leave this because I think that pulled in a nice look to that. So I just wanted to show you how you can edit an image. So now I'm going to go back. So now you could download this as a PNG and use this design, or you can download it as anything that you want, a PDF or whatever, a JPEG. But now I'm going to go in and I'm going to create a new design. I'm going to go to custom size again, and I'm going to pick my 8 by 8 inch again. And now I will pull in some elements from Canva. So you just go to elements and you can search whatever you want here. Ooh, that bunny was cute. I'm going to use this one, this bunny here. So I am going to pull this in and I'm going to make it bigger. Now see that pulled up a color palette here. So what you can do now is I can select one of these colors, the black, the brown, the pink, and the white, and you can change that color. So now I'm just going to click color here, and then you can go to choose a color here. So I'm going to go to this color palette, and you can change the color of these bunny feet here by moving this around. So now I can change the color. See how that changed the bunny feet to that purpley color? So let's try that with the tail as well. So we'll pick this color. Oh, changed everything there. All right, so we'll leave that. That surprised me a little bit how it did that. So now we'll go back and we'll pick these for this color, and we'll go down and we will change that to this pink. I just want you to see how you can change the color on designs as well. So now we'll go back and we'll start a new design again. Create a new design, custom size. I'm going to go to 8.5 by 8.5 again. And now I'm going to add some elements here. And I'm going to search in elements. I'm going to search for frames. And we'll work with a frame here. Search it out and see how it came in with these that look like they have sky and grass in them. So let's pick one of these here. See some more shapes here, see what they got. There's so many frames that you can use in your designs, but I'm just going to use an easy one here just to show you what I want to do here. So I'll just pick the circle here. So maybe you're going to make some ornaments or something and you want the circle on there. So I've added that now, the circle. So now I'm going to go back into elements and I'm going to get rid of this. And I want to go to Easter paper. Let's go to Easter backgrounds, I'll call it. Easter background. All right, so now we're going to click Easter background and I'm just going to go to graphics here. And so you can pick one of these designs, and this one's kind of cute. It's Pro, but I am going to throw that in there. So now I'm going to make this bigger, and then hopefully this will go in there. If it doesn't, oops, don't want to do that. All right, this happens once in a while where I can't get it to go in the frame. So let's go back. We're going to get rid of this one. Get it out of here, delete it. Now I'm going to go to my uploads because I've actually uploaded some great Easter papers here. So we're going to pick one of these. Let's use a cute one here. And now what you can do with this is when you move it around, you see how it fills in that frame? And now you have that perfectly in your design. So let's do this again. So now we will go, I'm going to click this so that the outside is displayed. And now if you scroll over to the word more here, you can hit duplicate page. So So I'm going to hit duplicate. Now what I can do is I can go in and I am going to go back to my uploads. Whoops, sorry. Go back to my uploads here, and you can pick a different color paper that you really like, or actually you can put pictures in there as well. I don't know that I have any pictures in here that will work. Let's try that. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Let's get that out of there. Go back to my uploads here. Let's see if I can get this little dragon in there. So now make him bigger. Not dragon, dinosaur, I guess. And there you go. So you slide that right into your design. And all I did was move this around until it plopped itself right into that frame. So now let's do this one more time. Highlight the background. I'm going to go to more here, and I'm going to go duplicate page. You can just add a different frame too. You don't have to keep using this same frame. I'm just doing this because it's easier to show you. So now I'm going to go to uploads, and I'll go to, that's how I did these doodle fonts here that you can see. I took each one of these letters and added a different paper color to it. So now I'm going to go to these papers here. Where are you, papers? Must be up further. I went past them. Here we go. So now I'll add, this is a cute one. So now we will add this into that frame to replace the one that's in there. Isn't that awesome? So that's how you use frames. So now let's go to another design here, create a new design, custom size. I'm going to go by the 8x8 again. Let's see what else we can find here. There's some that I did. These are some designs that I made for on Etsy. Let's just look at this one. Bring it in, and you can change the size. Be sure when you download these that you want a transparent background so that when you're going to put them on a shirt or whatever you're designing, and you do have to have the Canva Pro account to make these have the transparent background PNGs. So now I'm going to go back to uploads again, and I'm going to find a paper again here that I uploaded. I think this one's cute, so I'm just going to add that in. I'm going to stretch this out, and now you can send it to the back. So here, position, layer. So I'm going to send this to the back. You can do this two ways. You can either, oh, I can't get a hold of it. Here we go. You can send it to the back that way, or there you can send it to the back by position here and send it to front and backwards. So there's a couple ways that you can do that. I don't like that paper behind there, but just showing you how to do that. So, well, I hope this helps. Again, like I said, please like and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.